morning, and what a beauty day it is. Just can't tell you what a thrill it is to be here in the fog. We're driving a long way back to Russ Bros. I think it's 15 hours or so. We're stopping at Todd AC Transmission, picking up a welding table for Cassidy somewhere around Edmonton. So we got a little bit of a late start, but it's freaking foggy. Slowing us down a little bit. The new cab and the new heater are working splendidly, I must say. I had a little turbo leak, that's fixed up. So, and look at this beautiful windshield. So that's all good. Still have wipers. So, it's going to be a long freaking day, but we'll be back at Russ Bros late tonight. So at 7 o'clock in the morning, be down at the co-op, pouring coffee, and then back into the madness. Cheers. So this is the year?
That's the year, 1963, brand new, and it's a Sun-Tac. There's the bracket. Little dusty, but perfect for a vintage vehicle.
No kidding.
Yeah, and I think you need that.
Well, my car's not worthy of something this freaking cool.
I got more, unfortunately.
No way.
Oh, I think I got 5 of them.
No.
And they came from my dad's old stock car mechanic.
Really?
Yeah. And he passed away, of course. His kids like, here, take this. And I'm like, what is all this stuff?
Cool, man.
You
really?
need that. Oh, yeah, for sure, man.
Geez.
Like, that's the right year for your car.
Yeah.
Hey,
yeah,
year old.
exactly.
You'd be going to the dealer.
Oh, I dig it. I even got to save the box. Look at that. Man, that's vintage, all right. Far freaking out.
Here's something Mike needs. Here. For one of his 400 restorations.
What's under the...
What's under the bag? A nice original right year 400.
No
Just a
way.
production one, yeah.
Oh, far out.
Another thing that's in the way.
No kidding.
Well, how many motors can I have?
Well, lots.
Well, I know, and that's the problem. I only got about 10, so.
This is a ginormous carburetor.
Oh, that's a toilet, yeah, or a Dominator.
Yeah.
And that was kind of the one I was thinking of putting on your other one, but
Right.
you've got a Rochester style manifold. That's what you want. Because you turn the key and it works. And
Yeah, well, yeah.
the new one will have electric choke.
It keeps, I don't know what's going on. The idle, I set the idle, and then sometimes it's high and sometimes it's low.
It's either got a
I
vacuum
gotta
leak
check my linkage.
or a sticky secondary throttle
I
plate.
get up to the road finally across the railway tracks and it quit.
Oh,
I don't know, just like it always did.
Well, make time, you come down. You know,
Ah,
like I've still got boxes and boxes of Rochester parts, like metering rods and jets
Oh,
that
yeah.
no one has. Like I've got a Holly box there. It's like $3,000 worth of like Holly gaskets.
oh, okay, yeah.
Like you can do any Holly with this stuff. Like everything.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, but you know, most people don't have Rochester stuff.
Right.
Or even have the, you know.
Yeah.
Most people make a change and they don't even know what they changed.
Yeah.
You know, we made a change. Well, usually it makes us the mileage suck so bad.
Right.
Oh, here,
That's true.
here, you need something like this here.
What's that?
This is old from my granddad.
Oh, no way.
There's a thing for hanging your keys on.
Jeez, yeah.
Okay, a wrench.
I'll put that up
There you go. Save water,
There you
drink beer. These are oldies. Anyway, let's take a quick look. Like I've got every piece of this car brand new. Every piece of chrome, every door lock, everything.
Wow, it's pretty good, man.
Well, a friend of mine, started, instead of just taking a cutter and taking the chrome off, the tacking hammer bent them all and started, well, I went to go to the washroom for 2 seconds and he caused more damage, and then I dropped the car. I said, I was just beyond myself. You could have just taken side cutters and left the little rivet head and just gone, you know,
Wow, this is exceptionally good.
It's got plants inside of it.
It has plants, yeah.
It does.
But it is so solid. There's no rust in the floor.
Well, listen here. Check the door gaps and all that. It's
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. It's falling. I haven't seen this, but see, someone tried to patch it years ago.
Yep.
But maybe put halves on it or something.
Oh.
Look, it's still there.
No, that
At least you know what you got.
Jesus, super light.
Never crashed it.
Yeah, right.
And that was when I was 16. This was a fast car.
That's
back in the-
impressive.
No, trust me, this car was always doing 100 miles an hour.
Man, you got
I didn't lose too many street races with this
All
car.
right, eh?
I ran 14 flat, 100 miles an hour.
Really?
Oh, and when you're 16, back then,
Oh yeah,
that was
absolutely.
that would probably do
you gotta
140
fix
miles.
it.
Yeah,
It's sitting
make
back here.
projects, man. It's like when. Obviously, I get right to it.
Well, you need to retire, obviously.
Tax later.
Yeah. These super highways and they're all different freaking levels and
Oh, they
bridges
suck
everywhere.
Here. The roads here are terrible.
Oh my God.
Designed from
I
the
was driving into town.
1970s. Oh,
I mean, I lived here. I drove through this till like early 80s. And up
you
until then.
had a little room back then.
Oh yeah, I could take any back alley and get anywhere. I knew every club.
Yeah,
You know,
any club.
where to walk.
Yeah,
Anyhow.
I remember those days. Cool, man.
Thank you. Cassidy will appreciate that.
Yeah, good seeing you again.
Yeah.